Discover how you can create realistic AI portraits with just your smartphone in this video tutorial.
Hello and welcome back. So on how to create the famous AI images you've been seeing trending on social media and every other places. This is how to do it with the use of just a smartphone and your browser. So using an Android phone, an Apple phone, get over to your Chrome browser and search for the word bing.com/create. Now before you want to dive into this, you should have your prompt, because depending on what prompt you give it, that is the same result it is going to issue out to you. So these are other prompts by other designers. You can modify this, but I prefer to do mine from the scratch. Okay, and this is what I just created recently, so I am just going to repeat the same prompt or modify it, so it is going to give me something better. So write out your prompt so you can just place it immediately. You do it now. For starters, if this is your first time of using the Microsoft Bing is going to tell you to create an account with them. I already have an account with them, that is why I am already signed in. But if it's your first time, you will have to create an account with them, so they can give you access to creating beautiful AI pictures with them whenever you need and from every other place. This is my prompt, and I think I'll just modify it. Okay. So I just need to wait for this to create, and once it's done, we are going to see the prompt we gave it, and voila, this is our prompt, and this is what it gave us.
If you find the video useful, please do the following.